here to the auction yard, finally. I'm checking the cattle in. I'll see if I can get up here and show you some of the stockyards here. It's over here checking them in.
Feet all shitty.
I know. I don't know if you can see up the pens, but there's lots of them. This is just the inside. And then they got pens outside too, all the way around the place. On the back. Just pull.
Just pull?
Mm-hmm. And I'll hold it if you want.
Yeah. See, most of the time they're all notes.
They're pretty spooky.
Here, I got the gate if you want. 10 pieces?
Yep. There they went down the alley.
Have you signed a country of origin affidavit for here yet? Sorry. Can I please just print your first name? And sign and date both places? They're doing it 2 places. One is for today and the other is for ongoing, so you don't have to do it every time. Is it Looney?
I always use deep well.
That sounds better, anyhow.
Definitely. Date, what, 30th?
11:30, yes sir.
David's filling out the country of origin affidavit. I'll get up here and show you some more. It's kind of hard to see under there because it's so dark. Maybe it'll show up better on the video. These are the pens they'll use tomorrow to hold the cattle. Some silos and things. It's dusk here, just getting dusky now. Here's some cattle right here, some nice fat ones they got in here. They're probably going to brand inspect. Here's our ropers. I'll go down here, see if we can catch them before it gets too dark. I don't know if you can see them or not, but there they are. You can see the nice horns on them. I don't know if you can see that far. It's pretty dark in there. They're all together. They're really being quiet and nice. This is another little office they have here. They have one here, and they have, I don't know if you can see that one up in the air over there, one there, and they have another one down over there. Now I'm going to go down here. See this nice, another nice chute. They have about 5 different loading, maybe more than that. They got those over there. They have these here. But you see how everything's so nice, steel and cement. Really clean. They wash everything down. You can see the floor here is all cement. And they wash it down every day almost, or after every sale. Anyway, I'll go over here. Well, I still got a little bit of light. Here's another place where they unload goosenecks and feeder cattle, cows only. I'll just get up and show you some of these pens. They're feeding them right now. There's a bunch of pens that go that way and around this way. It's a little far away to see it, but anyway, David's probably looking for me. Go back over here. There's some cattle there. In this barn they have. It's a little extra place. I don't know what they keep there for sure. And there's our pickup and trailer, thanks to you guys. And we're here.